It's been a while, but welcome back. And in today's video, if you didn't guess it already, we're going to unbox this RTX 5070 ASUS TUF Gaming graphics card. Let's dive into it. Starting off with the booklet. We have a thank you card. We have a certificate of reliability. We have the warranty card. We have instructions on how you should be using your graphics card holder. We have how you should be using that 16-pin connector that you get inside the box. And lastly, we have a quick start guide. This is obviously going to just get you up and running as quickly as possible with this graphics card. So this is the graphics card holder. Now this over here you would screw to open up, pull it to your desired height, fasten it down, and your GPU would rest on just like that. Now the nice thing about this little thing is that it actually doubles up as a screwdriver. If you were to loosen it and pull it out, you'll see that you have a Phillips head screwdriver which will help you tie things down. All you got to do, flip it around, fasten it up, and there you go. A nice TUF Gaming screwdriver which comes with your GPU. Next up we have the 16-pin connector. Now this here takes two 8 pins which then convert into the 16-pin so that you can power up this GPU. Following that we have got this Velcro strip. Now for those of you that don't know, this is actually to help cable manage your cables. You'll put your cables in, tie it down, and it should help it look a bit neater, just like that. Now, in your true TUF Gaming aesthetic, this is the TUF Gaming shroud with 3 fans. You have your PCIe express lane right there. And on the back side, you have got your performance mode and your quiet mode should you wish to run this card a bit more silently. On the top end over here, right next to that switch, we have got our 16-pin connector. If you look at the back end over here, you can see that you have got 3 holes. Now these holes are actually for a mounting bracket should you wish to fit a mounting bracket separately. In terms of connectivity, we have got 2 HDMI ports, just like you can see right over there. Next to those 2 HDMI ports, we have got 3 display ports, which you can see right over there. And the nice thing about this GPU is that it fits right in the middle, giving you the performance you need for gaming at 1440p. If you've liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And tell me in the comments if you would be purchasing one of these GPUs or which GPU you are looking out for.